Hi guys, welcome to Maths with Siphiwe. Today I want us to talk about Bodmas rule, which is a sequence of steps that you need to follow when working with a maths function or equation. Each alphabet in the Bodmas rule stands for a specific term or a specific step in the process that you need to follow. So step number 1 is that you need to resolve anything that is inside brackets. Step number 2, you need to resolve anything that is raised to a power or that is under a square root or a cube root. Step number 3, you need to divide. Number 4, you need to multiply. Number 5, you need to add, and lastly, you need to subtract. If you don't know how to do this, please look at my video on working with integers for the grade 8 curriculum, where I show you how to divide, multiply, add, and subtract. So we're gonna go through examples to show you how these steps needs to be followed in an example or in an equation. So example number 1. You are required to simplify 4 plus 2 and brackets plus 2 raised to the power 2 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2. So when you look at our sequence of steps, it says you need to resolve anything inside the brackets first. So we're gonna resolve 4 plus 2. That will give us 6 plus 2 raised to 2 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 4 times 2. Second step, we are required to resolve anything that is raised to an order. So our 6 remains the same, and our 2 raised to 2, we can simplify it to be 4. This is the same as saying 2 multiplied by 2. Right, and then our minus 10 divided by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2 remains the same. Step 3, we are required to resolve anything that should be divided. So it's 6 plus 4 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 4 multiplied by 2. Then our step 4, you need to simplify what needs to be multiplied. So it's 6 plus 4 minus 5. 4 multiplied by 2, you get 8. Then step 5, you need to add. So you will add 6, 4, and 8. That will give you 18 minus 5. That will give you positive 13. If you don't know how to do this, please watch my video on adding and subtracting, because here you subtract and you take the sign of the bigger number. Example number 2, we are required to simplify 2 times 4 minus 2 plus 4 divided by 2 times 3. So when you look at this, compared to our Bodmas rule, we do not have anything that is in bracket. So we do not address step 1. Step 2 requires us to resolve what is in order or what is raised to a power. We also do not have that. So number 3 requires us to divide. So it means we are only going to be starting with our application of the Bodmas rule on step 3. So this will be 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2. 4 divided by 2 is positive 2 times 3. And then step 4 will require us to multiply, where we're going to have 2 sets of integers to multiply. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8 minus 2. Then we're going to have 2 multiplied by 3, which is positive 6. Step 5 says we need to add. So 8 plus 6, that is 14 minus 2. And then our last step is that we need to subtract, which is 14 minus 2, which gives us 12. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the videos, and book your tutorial sessions on 064 685 9475. Toodles.